Hi, my name is Dear Tiagi, and I built this, a Tamagotchi-style companion that helps you reinforce healthy habits right from your desk. The idea is simple. Habits are hard to keep. But what if you had someone external to motivate you? Better yet, what if it felt like a game? That's where Chirpie comes in. He's a tiny pet bird, and to keep him alive, you have to complete good habits like cleaning or practicing mindfulness. And yes, he also has an M&M dispenser in the back. Before I get into the software, here's how I built it. It runs on an Arduino Uno connected to a 2.8-inch TFT touchscreen. I designed the birdhouse in CAD and 3D printed it through HackLab. There is a USB-C port on the side for power, and the screen easily slides in and out. And there's an M&M dispenser, which operates based on a simple pin and wheel mechanism. When you turn on Chirpy, you'll see him and his vitals on the left. He has a happiness and health meter that decreases over time. In order to keep these stats up, you have to use the buttons on the bottom to feed and play with them. However, in order to do so, you need coins. These coins you earn by completing positive habits. These habits can be personalized in the code, but I chose these as a starting place. When you complete a habit, you can use the M&M dispenser to get an M&M and reinforce that good behavior. There's also a study and focus mode. Through these modes, you can earn coins for every minute spent studying or focused. It also tracks your total time spent doing the activity. And that's Chirpy. If you enjoyed this project, please leave a like below and comment your thoughts. I'm interested in hearing what you guys have to say. All the code and CAD files will be in the description below, so if you want to build your own Chirpy or customize it, feel free. And that's it for today. Thank you guys all for watching, and I'll see you guys all tomorrow. Bye.